you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Fell in love with a groupie, yeah. Fell in love with a groupie, yeah. Fell in love with a groupie, yeah. Fell in love.
Alright, what's good YouTube? It's Bri Hall back with another video, and today I am going to be spilling some tea on the timeline. You guys, when I say my comment sections have been crazy, and all you guys have been asking for the past like 3 weeks is so today I'm finally gonna make a video about my hair. Now there's a few reasons you guys have been left in the dark. So reason number one why I didn't make information about this: I was traveling, I was in Hawaii, and I went back to the East Coast, then immediately went to LA, then I'm back on the East Coast again. So your girl has been kind of everywhere sporadically. Reason number two, I replied to a top comment on a previous video with information on the hair. So for you guys that might see something you want to know and it might not be a whole video about it, you gotta look through these comment sections and really engage on the videos, because sometimes your question has already been answered. You just gotta do a little digging, you know what I mean? All right, so another reason is because this hair, I don't know if you guys can get it. Here's why. All right, well first I'm going to let you guys know that this is from a friend's cousin's hair company, and she is phenomenal. And on her website she has a deep curly hair, but I asked for a very specific hair type simply because I know her. So I was able to have her order the specific hair type from her vendor. So what type of hair is this? This is Peruvian curly hair. So that's why I like it, because it kind of has a little bit of frizz to it, a little bit of texture as well. So it does kind of mimic, especially when it's blow dried out, Peruvian hair is really full and it's really thick, and it mimics a black woman's hair essentially. And then when I put the styling product in it, it really maintains this curly texture. But as you might have seen in some of my LA Snapchats, I don't use Snapchat, LA videos on my Instagram story, I'll put one right here. I had a blowout, and then I had a professional hairstylist style my hair for Gen Beauty. So the hair can take on many textures. So if you have a reliable vendor that you already know very well that does do a Peruvian curly, you can get it from them. But I will also be plugging her website here, because I think the one on her website is Brazilian curly, but I think you can add a note and say what you want. So this is the deep curly texture. Another question that I've been getting a lot is, what wig is that? And this is actually not a wig at all. This is just a standard old school, back in the day, regular schmegular sew-in. Like, since I was going to Hawaii, I wanted to be able to, you know, wash my hair and like, you know, really get it dry quickly, because I noticed sew-ins, it's easier for me, since there is some scalp exposed, etc., to dry the wefts and the roots easier than when I have a wig where it's sewn onto a cap, so those braids really don't get to breathe when they get wet, because you know there's like a whole stocking type of cap deal going on. So that was my reasoning for getting a sew-in, and then I just have a regular closure. So general info for like the weave heads, the people who really know about they weave. So I think I did 3 bundles, and I did a 24, a 24, and a 26. And then I did a closure, and I think the closure is like 20 inches, but I have to double check on that. So yeah, that's the info on this hair. It was a very quick video since I've been getting so many comments about it. I figured today would be a good day to drop the video on it. Also, the website, finally, now that you're at the end of the video, if you're still with me, the website that I got the hair from is anyahair.com. I know some people are just gonna go straight to the description to look for it, but I'll be adding that later on in the day. So you really do gotta finish the video to get that info. And then later on today, after the video's been out for about, you know, 20 hours or so, I'm gonna put it in the description. I know I did my Tuesday and Friday video schedule for you guys, and I said those are gonna be my upload days, but sometimes I'll be having a little more content I wanna drop. So Tuesday and Friday is gonna be the definite day that you can see content on my channel. But if I get an idea, if I get inspired, if you guys request something that might not be pre-filmed for that day, I might drop something between those days or on a day that's not my regular filming day. But Tuesday and Friday is the definite day you can expect a video from me. So if you are busy and you just want to get caught up with my channel, come here on a Tuesday, come here on a Friday, and you will see content. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I hope it was informative for you. Also, I know I might get some questions about styling as far as that. To get the closure really laid, the closure is sewn down, no glue or anything like that. I don't even use got to be glued on it. I literally just use edge control, because usually when I have like a straight weave or wig, like you don't want to use edge control on the actual hair, because it's gonna make it look greasy and it's gonna weigh it down. Essentially, you want it to look really like flowy and bouncy. But when it comes to curly hair, that like glossy look, actually I kind of like that. So yeah, I just use a little bit of edge control on a brush it down, and then I use Cantu curling cream, and then I'll use just like this old school mousse that I got from like the beauty supply store. But any mousse that you like will work just as fine, because I think I've used like 3 different mousses and it came out almost the same every single time. So that's what's in the hair now. It's still a little bit damp because I, you know, wet it before this video, but when it dries, it gets pretty full and I separate the curls. It's really pretty. But yeah, I've been enjoying that, and I was supposed to take this out as well, so I wanted to make a video before I uninstalled, because I'm about to start wearing my own hair again for a little while, just because it has grown so much in this protective styling. And somebody even commented that, they're like, you've been protective styling a lot. I'm sure your hair is getting long, y'all. My hair got long. Alright, so I will have some more hair videos with my natural hair coming up really soon. But for now, this is the info and the tea on this hair. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out, gang gang. Gang gang! Gang gang! Gang gang!